Today we're checking out the Quantum X upright vacuum. This isn't your regular vacuum. Instead of filters or bags, it uses water to trap dirt, dust, and even pet hair. Yep, plain water. It's designed to clean both wet and dry messes. Works great on all kinds of floors and has a long telescoping head to reach under furniture. It also comes with a flexible hose that gives you extra reach in tight spots. So in this video, we'll rate this vacuum on how well it cleans, how easy it is to use, how easy it is to maintain, and whether it's really worth your money. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First up, cleaning efficiency. The Quantum X runs on a 700-watt motor and uses a water filtration system. So instead of collecting dirt in a filter that clogs over time, it spins everything into water. It works well on all types of flooring: hardwood, carpet, tile, you name it. It even automatically adjusts to different floor heights. You don't have to mess with any settings, it just keeps going. And yes, it can handle wet spills too. Whether it's spilled juice, pet accidents, or muddy footprints, you just suck it right up. A user with 2 huge dogs said it picked up more pet hair on carpets and hard floors than their previous Dyson and Shark vacuums combined. This is because it doesn't just push hair around like some vacuums. It actually picks it up and traps the odor too. Customers have found their house smelling cleaner with noticeably reduced dust in the air. Bonus, the water filtration system kills germs and odors while you clean using micro-silver technology. Now let's talk about ease of use. So, it's kind of heavy, around 27 pounds. Going up and down stairs can be a bit of a workout. But it does have a few attachments that help balance that out, like the telescoping head that extends up to 18 inches so you can reach under couches or beds without moving the furniture. The hose also stretches out to about 10 feet, which is helpful for corners or high spots. The body swivels 180 degrees, which helps with maneuvering around furniture. But users have noticed that when you recline it to vacuum under furniture, the water inside can splash around a bit. Also, there's no brush roll switch. One more thing, this vacuum is corded, not cordless. So if you prefer cordless convenience, this might not be for you. But the trade-off is that you never run out of power while cleaning. It runs at about 73 decibels, which is average for a typical vacuum. Now let's get into the ease of maintenance. There are no bags or HEPA filters. You just fill the water basin with regular tap water, vacuum, then pour out the dirty water. That's it. But you do have to clean the basin after every use. If you leave the dirty water sitting too long, it can damage the vacuum. To remove the basin, press the release button, lift it out, dump the water, rinse it, and let it dry. Pretty straightforward. You can also rinse it with vinegar occasionally to keep things fresh. While it's called filterless, it does have a small mesh separator inside that needs to be cleaned now and then with a soft toothbrush and soapy water. Besides routine cleaning, a few folks had issues with the power head not working properly, especially on their first use. Turns out there's a reset button near the brush head that can fix this, but it's easy to miss if you don't know it's there. The roller bar isn't self-cleaning, so you will need to remove hair manually if it gets tangled. But the good part is, Quantum X includes a rivet slot that lets you slide in scissors or a blade under the hair to cut it out easily. Last, let's come to warranty and customer support. The Quantum X comes with a 3-year limited warranty, which covers the motor and main parts. It also offers a 30-day risk-free trial, so you can return it if you don't like it. Their customer service is mixed. Some say it is helpful and easy to reach. Others have said the repair process can be slow and frustrating. So should you get Quantum X? If you're looking for something powerful, especially for homes with pets, kids, or allergies, this is a solid pick. The water filtration really does help keep dust and odors down, and the fact that it picks up wet messes too is a big plus. But if you want something lightweight or cordless, or if you vacuum stairs often, you might find this one a bit bulky. Also, be ready to clean the water basin after every use. Have you used Quantum X? Let me know in the comments what your experience was like. And for another useful video for a sweet clean home, check out this one now.